Right, hi guys. What we thought we'd do is have an open day. So on the 29th of March, if you want some extra EV experience and you've got your level 3 or your level 4, we've got a really exciting, fun package, kind of filled day of looking at the challenges of working on EVs. So you haven't had much experience so far, but you've done all the qualifications and training, then you can spend the day with us. We'll feed you with teas and coffees and stuff. We're going to be sponsored or in collaboration with Autotechnician and also VTS, who can show you some of the diagnostic equipment we've got available here on the day. And we've got two groups. We're going to look at some problems with Zoe's and a bits and pieces and some generic stuff with that. And we're going to go through a full battery repair on a Nissan ENV200. And we go through the whole process of doing a full battery repair and check pre and post repairs on those. So some real good experience and stuff like that. And of course, as you know, if you come one of these events, then you can talk to the other guys that attend as well, so you can share your own experiences with each other of the attendees on the day. So have a look on the Autotechnician website. Tickets are still available. Come along for the day. So the 29th of March, the end of the month, it's on a Saturday. So hopefully you're not working too hard, and we can see you on that day. So we can share all our experiences and knowledge and skills with you on the day. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.